If you want to change the Apple ID on your iPhone, but at the critical moment you forget your Apple ID password, what should you do? Don't worry, today I will teach you 3 tips to help you easily reset your Apple ID password even if you don't have a phone number. Go to apple.com and click the Sign In button. Face ID login will appear. Click on the password to change it here, but if you don't remember the password you recently used, don't worry. You can jump to the next screen, which is our second tip. We need to jump to iForget.apple.com to change the password. Enter your Apple ID on this page and click Continue. You will need to confirm the mobile phone number associated with this Apple ID. After completing the verification, you will see a pop-up window to reset the password. All trusted devices associated with this Apple ID will automatically reset the password. You can choose the password set by your iPhone or set your own password on the pop-up window. If you don't have a Face ID or a mobile phone number, don't worry. AnyUnlock can help you solve it. AnyUnlock is an app that solves password problems for all iOS systems. Click the link in the description to download and run AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Select Unlock Apple ID and click Start Now. Please note, make sure Find My is turned off, otherwise all data will be erased. Just wait patiently. When AnyUnlock finishes unlocking the Apple ID, your iPhone is now free of any Apple ID, so you can set up your ID on it from scratch, or you can use another account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time!